You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? The scene that keeps playing on repeat ignores the rule of thumb.
So this room was actually like the other room. It has a bed, but I switched it to an office. An office? Yes. Let's get in. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be taking you through all the aspects of my home office, one after the other. Just before we get started, it will be so helpful for you to like and subscribe to my channel now. Thank you so much. I would highly and really appreciate it. Are you ready? Let's get started. So this is my home office. This is where I work. Most of the time, I'm always here. 90% of my time, I'm always here working, making videos for you, thinking about ideas, making courses for you on Skillshare and Udemy. This is my artwork. You can see it's the New York piece. I actually like the New York piece because my channel is about finance. So I choose to go for this beautiful masterpiece. The three of them are actually the same thing, but in different representations. People that are into diagrams, art, we understand and call it different names. But for me, they are the same thing. This is for a rainy day. This is the way it looks on a normal day. And this is a sketch of it, like a child sketch of it or a color sketch for it. What do you guys call it in art? So yeah, my equipment are mounted in a fixed position so that I won't have to be stressing myself working here. Everything is automated and it's automatic. And by now, you can see that I'm someone that likes things being automatic. I don't want to be stressing myself just to make a video. Things should be put in position. And we have a light here. Also, to give more ambience to the house, we have more lights here. So these are my filming lights that I use to film. These are for the filming, the camera and the audio equipment here that you can see here in position so that I can be churning out videos for you guys. So I'm prepared for you guys. Hope you're prepared for me because tons and tons of videos are coming your way that will improve you financially and otherwise.
This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible.
So guys, from my previous apartment, you've already seen this art piece. This lovely art piece here. Yeah, it's also in my new office. Our friend, and this pyramid that looks very beautiful and colors. For easy access for me to put on my clothes, but without disturbing my girlfriend, my clothes is here so that I can wear clothes easily and film as much as I can film. And sometimes I sit down here to make videos on TikTok so that it can be a different atmosphere from the pristine space. I'm under this table. I'm hiding some of my cables. I don't like having cables around. So I'm hiding my cables. The cable that you're seeing before is for my Wi-Fi that I connected for the house. The microphone is not here because it's currently mounted on the camera that's taking this video. And of course, the camera itself is used to take this video. So you ought to be here to make everything in sync. So yeah, this is the way it is, and this is where I work. And you can see me working. Yeah. So for my 9 to 5 job, you can see the system here. I used to do the job here. I just need to plug into the desktop, and for my own laptop, you can see it here. So, and this is my hard drive. Everything is self-explanatory. This is the way we work. Yes. So guys, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. It will mean the whole world for me and for all of us as we grow together. So please ensure you like this video and you subscribe to my channel. It will help to bring more people to watch this video and grow our audience to the world.
This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion. I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, also famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got changes, bro, I don't care about no gold. Better, so much better, flipping incredible. Always on the show, so they know that I still got it. And I never feel sorry, yeah, on top of the world. This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round.
So I would really appreciate your feedback of the whole video and my home office. What you think I should add or should remove? Give me your opinion. I want to hear your opinion in the comment section of this video. Express yourself and I will hear and reply you as early as possible. Thank you. And that reminds me, I have a lot of courses on Skillshare and Udemy on how to make money online, on passive income, on side hustle, cryptocurrency, stock market, jobs you can do from home, and I will attach the link in the description box of this video. So guys, go and check them out and give me your review there. I will highly and so much appreciate it. If you have an idea of a video or a course I should make, please, I'm also waiting in the comment section to hear your opinion.